I don't wanna piccolo more.
Welcome to another Women and the Series with Nzetobo Sigwe Ezekolomo. I want to discuss on three ancient principles to guide you this year. You know, some people have come to ask me, Ezekolomo, keka this year yade, keka afa yade, how will this year be? They want for me to divine for them what this year will be. But those who know me know that I'm not keen with all this divination and all that. Why? My spiritual teachers have told me that the highest form of truth, the highest form of divination, the highest alpha bugon is yoku. Do you listen to me? And the highest, another solid alpha is what? Sound principles. I keep saying it. Always go for principles over miracles. Always go for principles over miracles. People like miracles, and that's why you get easily deceived. Like a miracle is based on illusion and error. True miracles, when it will happen, most times you don't know. Even the person that will perform it will not know. At times when the person carries it out, you will not know. But when you go all out in search of miracles, you will not see it. What you get is deceit. If you are following me, if you are watching these videos, if you want to learn, then be a believer, a seeker, a stickler to principles. Hold on to principles. Principles will hardly disappoint you. And I want to share with you three ancient principles that if you practice, if you hold on to them this year, you will have a better 2023. The first one is what? Make error. The first one is what? Make error. This means always live and act according to your means each time. Always live and act according to your means each time in every situation. Our people will say, no, otuaka Hawaii, kona ekukwasadie. Otuaka Hawaii, kona ekukwasadie. So, what does this mean? It means never you act beyond your capacity. Do not act beyond your capacity. If you want to do wedding and you have 500,000, that is what you have. Wed within that region. Don't plan a wedding of 1 million when you know that your capacity is 500,000. If you want to go into a business deal with someone and you have only 500,000 and you feel that you will make a lot of profit if you use up to 3 million, please, my dear, start with the 500,000. Anything you are planning, plan within your means. Don't go asking people for money, disturbing people and all those things, belittling yourself. No. Always act within your own capacity and level. If you are planning a burial, plan it within your capacity. If you want to buy a car, buy within your capacity. You want to buy a house, a furniture, a phone, do it within your capacity. We are in a society that everybody is acting beyond their capacity. You see people planning, having big plans, but they don't have the money to finance those big plans. And they go out involving themselves in all kinds of schemes, begging, belittling themselves, destroying their self-esteem. Why? Because you are trying to act beyond your capacity. Know your capacity and ensure you live within it, not above your capacity. Due to social media, so many people are living beyond their capacity. You want to act that everything is going on for you. You want to show the good side, as in snap with fake cars, snap with fake clothes, fake this one. Why? Even a good headache can be unwell. Giving a just no unnecessary headache. Why are you torturing yourself? After you not give you a balloon after, whereas you are the one who is your own trouble. Make error. Make error. Make error. You want to do an investment, invest within your capacity. You want to plan within your capacity. Many trouble we fill our life with is because we fail to tell ourselves some home truth by overrating our capacity. You are planning a wedding. You are planning the wedding with your uncle's money. You are planning it with your friend's money. You are planning it with what gift that someone will give to you. If you're not married, now that Japa is raining, everybody shall lay Japa. You are not even planning to Japa with your own money. You are planning with another person's money. So let me say this. Many of our problems are not spiritual, but rather purely physical. If you are living a fake life or above your capacity, No divination can tell you to stop. It is common sense. It is common sense that you need. You do not need alpha. So the first philosophy I'm telling you, or principles I'm teaching you that you need to hold on to this is what? Make error. Make error. Make error. Make error. The second one is what? Please, don't be in a haste. Don't be in a haste to achieve so much, thereby filling your brain, your body, your chi, and your energy with unnecessary pressure. Something that is normally that is supposed to take, all things being equal, is supposed to take you 2, 3, 5 years or 10 years to achieve. You want to achieve it under 1 year. At times, settle down and observe nature. You see nature, gradually. Mango. It takes a period of like 7 to 8 or 10 years. Some trees take corn, months. But serious trees take what? Years for them to start bearing fruits. Some even take as much as 20 years. Can't we learn from nature? Can't we learn from nature? Why are we over-laboring ourselves? The year have started. You know, this year, this one. What you know that ordinarily that is not possible. If it's not all our work, whereas the plan you made was purely unrealistic. These are what the whites are. They are better than us. They set realistic goals. You see something like Vision 2025, Vision 20, this one, what they will achieve in 20 to 30 years coming. They give projection and follow it gradually. But here we don't. You look at the new will set unrealistic targets. At times I look at some young people like me, you are comparing yourself with people that where they are. It took them 20, 25, 30, 35 years to get there. Go and it's in school, but I'm actually about under 3 years. You know, from you are wasting resources. I'm telling you with all due respect, you are wasting resources. Nobody can beat nature. Make realistic goals. Even me. Do you think I don't want to be big? Do you think I don't want to be this one? But some things need time and patience. That is what our people say. Our people will also say, what is ngwo? Ngwo is a palm wine that produces a palm tree that produces palm wine profusely, but dies off very fast. Obidohana or more fast. It eat 20 gallons or fail way up. It eat 10 gallons within 6 hours or fail way up. Manono or then after 2 or 3 years it dies off. Manono is simple. It eat 5 liters. Only 1 day or 2 days or maybe the 5 liters. Next 50 years, it can eat the work and so that we can live. So look at untimely death everywhere. Young people dying anyhow. Some the woofer, they kill themselves with stress. There is no evil projection. There is no pain. So we must take the journey of life slow this year. Let's not be in a hurry to make money. In fact, our health and the safety of our loved ones should be more of a priority this year. I'm saying this year is going to be very tough. Let's not make it tougher than it's going to be by loading it with too many targets that we should have spread out in many years to come. And you are planning to start the foundation this year and finish it this year, when you know that realistically it's not possible. Come on. We need source of foundation this year. Next year, Before money in 5 years, they shall know effortlessly. Number 3, less is more. Less is more. This is one teaching that my spiritual teachers have opened my eyes that I'm grateful for. Less is more. Too much food, too much activities, too much friends, too much goals, too much money, too much pleasure, they are all dangerous. I repeat, too much food, too much activities, too much friends, too much goals, too much money, too much pleasure, they are all dangerous. See, the less friend you have, the more secured your life will be. The less activities you will attend, the more healthy and less stressful our life will be. It's not only where the Enugu we see Enugu from next week, ije nke enwelu na Owerri from Owerri, ije nke enwelu na Kaduna from Kaduna, ije nke enwelu na Lagos. Ike ada akwụkwọ gị zukwa n'ike. Less is small. Stop having too many friends so that you won't be involved in too many activities. Stop having too many friends so that your life will be less stressful for you. Friendship is stress. It takes time and resources to invest in friendship. So having anybody that have too many friends, you will do what? You waste a lot of resources and a lot of time on irrelevant things, on even people that do not take him up, but they pretend they are friends. But the day you go here, you often have friends. Less is more. Less is more. Less is more. I was able to the mother like again. Less is more. The less goals we set, the more energy we have in achieving those little ones we've set. So people have 6 plans. At the end of the day, one can achieve. Why not have only one? And focus all your energy on that one. Or just 2. And focus all your energy on the 2. The lesser the money we have, the lesser our chances of putting our resources to productive use becomes. I know plenty of people will not like this because everybody is praying for plenty money. Nukwego. See, let me tell you. My father was very wealthy, so I'm talking from a place of experience. The more money you have, the more confused you will be. The more money you have, the more confused you will be. The more the chances of putting the money on as in things that are not productive will be. But if you settle down, with time you even realize that you have several resources that you can control them. So when I choose Nego, I will still have a special teaching on that about Ego and Ichwego. If I name Ichwego, I will waste a lot of time doing it. Now, pleasure, the less pleasure we seek, the more we create healthy memories that we'll be proud of. You look at the internet today, people's nude and every other thing is filled in the internet. Why? Because you are seeking for too much pleasure. The chances of you being caught on fresh or being caught off guard is high when you seek too much pleasure. Tone it down. If you're not tone it down. Tone it down. Tone it down. Less is more and more is less. I repeat, less is more and more is less. This year and moving on, the best divination, the best alpha can now balage. I'm an alpha, but there is a reason major about for one alpha can is yoku. Negamonte, one alpha can is yoku. Free alpha can now born. I have given you 3 principles. This year. Try these 3 principles and watch what will happen. What did I say? These 3 principles. What is it? Make error. And less is more. Thank you.
If you love the video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.